Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to cook boneless chicken gravy recipe which you can serve in breakfast or lunch or even in the form of sandwich. After it is slightly golden brown, we will add ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon. Then we will let it mix properly, and after it gets cooked, we will chop capsicum aside and also green chilies, 2 to 3 green chilies small. So along with this I have started chopping about it. You can take a half or a complete full medium size capsicum. It can be green or yellow or red, any color whichever you like. So that I have mixed it along with the green chilies. Need to get it moist because before it was crispy. Now we need to make it moist, so we will cook it for 1 or 2 to 3 minutes. I have grated one medium sized tomato with it peel. We don't have to peel out. I have grated with the peel, so it will be easy for you to grate it. Instead of chopping or grinding it, I have grated it so that the gravy can be thick and it can be well. After mixing it well, after the tomatoes lose its moisture, we will add the spices: curry powder, turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, all about half spoon or 1 spoon based on your choices. It's time to mix it well and let it get absorbed. Aside, I have cut the finely chopped boneless chicken of the thighs into small pieces, nicely washed, and then I have added turmeric, red chili powder, salt, all that in the chicken itself. That is the reason I have not added in the gravy the salt, otherwise it would be more salty. After it is cooked, we are going to add this one and making it mix. And then we have to cover the lid and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil in between. This recipe I was making for my siblings for their school brunch. So you can make for your family as well, or anyone's, for your relatives or families in the morning breakfast or any lunch like that. So just try it. It is healthy with some veggies and chicken, so it will be tasty. We'll add some water so that it gets cooked well, and we will cover the lid. After 5 minutes, we will keep it little moist. We will not make it completely dry because after it get cooled down, the water will be absorbed. So our recipe is ready to serve. You can have it with roti, chapati, bread or sandwich. Just fold and have it. If you enjoyed it and like it, so do try, and I hope you like this. It is different than the normal recipes, and do check out my playlist if you want to see my more recipes, which is around 90 plus. So there are many of them. You can check it out and stay interacting in the comment section. Till then, see you soon with another video. Stay connected. Thank you for watching.